Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Palworld over your laptop or PC through Steam, right? Even though if you're looking to get exclusive or early access, then I will show you. By the way, Palworld is getting too much popular, that's why you will able to find it over the, here. Let me show you. I saw somewhere, yeah, this is Palworld. If you don't find it over the screen, you can just go to the search bar which is on the top right and just write Palworld and just hit the enter. Basically, you will on the top you will see three options: Palworld soundtrack, and Palworld game plus soundtrack bundle. So depending upon your preference, of course, I don't know who wants to buy a soundtrack, but you can. I will just go with the Palworld, right? Because I love this game, man. Yeah. So once I'm here, I will get this option to download the Palworld, right? So first of all, you have to buy. If you want to buy Palworld, then just click on Add to Cart, right? And automatically you will get the early access and everything. So don't worry, so you can just buy for yourself or as a gift, right? And this is how you can, if you're using Steam, then you can just easily download it, right? So once I buy this, I will get this option of Palworld here, like this. For example, let's say for example esports FIFA 23 is a Palworld, so you will get is the option of install. So once you click on install, you will get this option to play, then you will able to play, right? So installation takes place here. If you click on manage download, then you will able to see all the installation which is going for the Palworld, and depending upon your internet speed, you will able to download it. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe and comment.